Good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third puzzle, the binary puzzle, in the additional of today's newspaper on Thursday, December 19th, 2024. And I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4-star Sudoku. So 2 puzzles are left, Jigsaw Sudoku and the binary puzzle. Yes, it's binary time. And this one will be number 9776. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 17 printed digits. That's a lot. 17. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8. Binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O's, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between the ones comes an O. Between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double ones here, no, there, no. Double ones here, no, there, no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. Double O's here, 1, there, 1. Double ones here, no, there, no. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O's here, 1, there, 1. Between the O's comes an 1. Double ones here, no, there, no. Between the O's comes an 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1. Double ones here, no, there, no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double ones here, no, there, no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between the O's comes an 1. Between the ones comes an O. Finished in 2 minutes. We solve it again. And I like this one. Without comparing, if you like this too, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.